Hey there, Art Stars, Mr. Brad here, and today we are going to draw Meowth from Pokemon. Get a good look at him, and when you're ready, grab a piece of paper and a pencil, and let's go to the drawing board. All right, let's start with the basic shapes, everybody. Meowth has a kind of an oval, sideways oval for his head, so I'm just going to start sketching that in. And I like to keep all my lines loose and light, a little bit rough in the beginning, so that it's easy to erase as I go. He's got this little, I don't know what this thing is. Anybody know? Tell me down in the comments what this is for. But he's got one, so I'm going to give him one. And then I'm going to shape in his ears. Well, he's got these little antennae, or whiskers, whatever you want to call them. Let's put those in first. And there's one on each side of this little whatever thing. And then his ears come right off of that. And they're just two big triangles. So I'm going to rough them in. Look at it. And then do the same thing on the other side. And then his inner ear right there. And we're going to kind of put him, you can see how he's got his fingers in his mouth like he's kind of nervous. So let's just rough in the mouth. I'm going to come up a little bit from this bottom line here. And over here where his mouth starts, he's going to kind of go like that. And then we're just going to make a little kind of a U shape right here. That's going to be the start of his hand. And then his arm, let's do this side. It just comes down and stops right there. And this arm, I'm going to sketch in right about there. Okay, let's give him the shape of his arms. So if you've ever heard of rubber hose cartooning, that's where it doesn't look like you have any bones in your limbs. They're just whoa, like a hose. So this is kind of Meowth's kind of rubber hose art when you think about it. And I'm just going to rough in a few fingers for his paw on this side. And then his body is just another oval if you think about it. So I'm going to come in from the arm here. I'm just going to rough in another oval. Stops here at the arm. And that looks pretty good. And then we're going to give him a couple of rubber hose legs and feet. And we're going to bring one down like this. And come back here for his heel. And then let's come back. Let's bring this down a little bit. Now let's come back just about here. And I'm going to rough in his foot. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. And remember, you can watch. What I would recommend is that you guys watch this one time with me as I draw it. It doesn't take too long. And then go back and grab a piece of paper and a pencil, and then you can draw along with me, and you can start it and stop it anytime you want to catch up on all the steps. You don't have to rush through. Okay, there's his feet. Oh yeah, he's got a tail. Thanks whoever was yelling that into the video. So his tail is kind of long, and it comes out here. We'll stop right about there, and then come down. And I'm trying to make these lines the same distance apart until I get out here farther into his tail. And then it comes up in a big ball. I'm just going to kind of rough that in where it curls around. Something like that. And I'm going to hook it back this way. Yeah, I think, well, no, he doesn't. He usually overlaps a little bit, doesn't it? Let's put that back in there. Okay, now I'll just take that out with my handy eraser, because I want you guys to be able to see this. There, that looks better. And anything I don't like, I'll clean it up later after that step. Now let's give Meowth a couple of his eyes. He's got big, wide open eyes. So I'm going to come over here, almost where the corner of this inner ear comes. I'm going to come down, and I'm just going to start sketching in. They're almost ovals, except they get wider right about here, and kind of a U shape there. I'm going to stop, and I'm going to shape that back in like that. And then his pupils are just really skinny. Come up like that. And then the color part of his eye is just a little slanted line. I'll do the same thing on this side. Come down from here. And I'll go in. And it kind of breaks right there. So I make a big U. And then it breaks back in this way. Okay, and then a little slanty or slit of a pupil and the colored part, and then it's got that little line there. Okay, now we're starting to look like something. Now we can start adding some more details. So let's give him a couple whiskers over here. So if you find the middle part of the eye and you come up just a little bit from there and over to the head, that's where we're going to put the first whisker. And it's pointy at the end. It just comes back in like that. And then we're going to come down a little bit from there, right where it starts to curve here. And I'm going to shape in that little whisker. And it's a little bit thinner than this one. Same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to kind of come over from the first one. Over, and this one's going to overlap his tail just a tiny bit. Pointy, and then come back. And come up a little bit. Shape that one out, give it a little point, and come back in like that. Where his mouth is, he's got 2 teeth, and the one's on either side, so they're pointy. Comes down like that, like a triangle. And the same thing on the other side. Stretch out a little bit. And then his hands, he's got his hands in his mouth, so you're not going to see all of his fingers, but we will see a couple lines here where we can make it look like, you know, you can see the space of the fingers. And then out here at his tail, we're going to draw a little line right here, because this is going to be a different color from his body. And then on his feet, we're going to give him a couple toes. So I'm just going to come down here and just going to make a little hump like that. And then up a little bit, another hump like that. And I'll do the same thing on this side. 1, 2. Okay, and then we'll come right back up to this little thing. Anybody tell me what that is yet in the comments? All right, let me know. So it's got 1, 3 or 4 lines. So there's one here, 3, and 4. I just kind of divide that out, you know, pretty even, except that this one at the bottom. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces in there. And you know what, guys? We just drew Meowth. I think he looks pretty cool. Now, I'm going to clean him up in this next step. I'm going to speed it up, and I'm going to trace over all of my lines with black ink. But I'm only going to keep the lines that I want. So where the head overlaps into this little thing, I'm going to erase that, and I'm going to clean up the, you know, shaky pencil that I had when I was sketching it in. So watch this step as I go, and then I'll slow down again and show you what you can do with it once it's inked. All right? Let's go. All right, there's our Meowth all cleaned up, and I inked in all the lines. And now you can color it. And if you have colored pencils, markers, crayons, whatever, you want to see what mine looks like colored? Good. I don't want you to have to wait. So there's Meowth all colored up and ready for fighting. What do you guys think? Did you like him? Did you try it? Did you have fun? I hope you did. And if you haven't tried to draw him yet, grab a piece of paper and a pencil and give it a try. And while you're at it, take a look at these other videos that are popping up here, and maybe you'll find something else you like to draw too. Until the next time, guys, thanks a bunch, and God bless.